Hello everybody! This video is about how I made this 9-arm crocodile soldering stand for about $2 in my case. I am going to show you how I did it, and it's extremely easy. Originally I wanted to buy it, but I have found that this is quite expensive things for what is it. It's really simple and easy to do, and I don't know why the price is so high. So, for example, cheap models are not very good and they are over $10, and if you want to buy something little bit better, so you will pay $30 or more. In my case I didn't find anything cheaper, so I'm not going to pay it. At first let's make wooden version, because wood is material available for everybody, so anybody can make it. So you will need piece of any kind of wood. And if I say any kind of wood, I mean really anything. For example, this wooden board, or for example this firewood. So I'm going, for example, choose this one. Yeah, it's good enough, and I'm going to cut the small piece, for example here. So let's do it. I will cut it now. Okay, so this is my piece of firewood. As you can see, is nothing special. And next you will need wire. This is copper wire with solid core, as you can see here. You can see I recommend about 2.5 mm in diameter, so it will be a little bit stronger. Okay, don't use aluminum wire, because aluminum will break very easily, so you need copper wire. You can go and buy it at your local shop, and require SARS will be very cheap, but the best way is ask your friends, hey man, do you have some spare piece of wire? And I believe that some of your friends may have it at home just laying and give it you for free. Anyway, if you don't have anybody with wire, just go to your local shop and get it. It's very cheap. Okay, and next things you will also need, of course, your crocodile clamps. I've got these 9 pieces, well, here is another one, so 10 pieces for about $2. So they are very cheap. And that's probably about it, so let's do it. So, first thing, I need to strip this wire, because I want to stick it here. So here I have 5 cores, and I'm going to cut it in half, because I don't need this long piece. So for example here. Okay, so here I have 10 pieces, 1 piece will be spare, for example this one, black. I will need 9 pieces. Now I need to cut this protection for about 1 centimeter from the top. Okay, now I have stripped the ends, and as you can see, these wires are nice and colorful, so it should be quite nice. So now I need to drill the holes into my piece of firewood, and I am going to mark, for example, somewhere here. Now I'm going to choose required drill, and this 2 mm will be enough, probably. So let's try it. I will use a little bit bigger drill. Nice. And now I'm going to strip other ends for clamping it here. Or in my case, as you can see, I don't need to strip it, but I won't, because I'm going to solder it. So For example, if I will not strip it, I can use this insulation on the wire and just press it together. And that's absolutely perfect. Yeah, I will really like it. It's quite strong, I don't need to solder it. So, okay, I'm going to solder one for you, so you can see that it is working as well. For example, this blue one. So this is about it. It's holding strong, and here it is. It's 9-arm soldering station Crocodile. For $2. So maybe you will ask that this is not good because this wire will break if I will bend it over and over and over. So yes, I understand, yes, it's true, it will break, but question is how fast. So I'm going to test it now. For example, this one. So let's do it. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, it break and I bended it 31 times. Here is the recipes. So what I can do now? I can do simply make it shorter a little bit, and here you go. It's simply holding as new one. I can continue with my work what I need. So I think if you will do it very often, so you can simply change the cable for new one. I have here another piece of cable which will give me 10 more pieces, so it's much more than I need. And in my case it will hold for, because I am soldering only few times a year, so for me it will be basically forever. So I don't need to worry about breaking the wire. Okay, so this is wooden version, so everybody can do it, but because I have this metal piece, I want to make for me little bit different shape. So I'm going simply take out the arms and put it here. I also drilled 9 holes. I don't know what material is it because it's very hard. I break few drills here, so but it will be simply like this. And this is not holding very strong, as you can see it's moving quite a lot, so I'm going to simply bend the end little bit. Yeah, it's much better now. And here it is, my 9-arm soldering crocodile clamp station. Yeah, I like it quite a lot. It's basically same principle. So now I want to demonstrate something that is really useful. So for example, I am going to try to connect these 3 pieces of wire, solder it together, which will be almost impossible to do it by hands without any helping tool. So I'll try it. I'm not telling that it will work, but I hope that yes. So let's do it. Yeah, it's nice and strong. Oh yes, I like it. Yes. I'm telling, it's not perfect, but for me it's more than enough. And keep in mind that it cost me only $2. So it's not $30, it's $2. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked my video. If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is free for you and it's helping me a lot. And feel free to put any comment in the comment section under the video. If you want to suggest me something with this design, or if you have better idea, please let me know in the comment. And thank you again and have a nice day.